Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn on eye comfort shield for our phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. First, go to the settings of our phone here and go to display. Then turn on eye comfort shield here, so it will turn to some low level light. Okay, see here some colors are changing for display. See the original one, it's like a blue white combination, but if you turn on eye shield, then it will turn to it will mix with some yellow light. So yellow light will have low impact on your eye, so your eye will be protected from heavy light. Okay, so it is better to use eye comfort shield when you have eye irritation using your phone. Okay, click on eye comfort shield, and here just you can adjust the color temperature. If you move to the right side, color temperature will be increased. Okay, if you move to the left side, color temperature will be decreased. So in this way also you can have much better comfort shield using color temperature adjustment. Click on set schedule. If you want to have always eye comfort shield needed, just turn on always on. If you want to set to some particular time only, then click on sunset to sunrise, and those time will have only eye comfort shield. If you want to set your own time, click on custom and click on start time here, and click on end time. Then okay, here I click on start time, that is start time I need here just 8 p.m. so 20 then end time here I need up to 5 a.m. only. So between 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. This color temperature will be applied, that is eye comfort shield will be applied. Okay, if you want to have it applied instantly, click on this button and it will be instantly applied. In this way you can easily customize eye comfort shield in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That is all friends, thanks for watching, bye.